Not too far, not too close, but just right is Jersey Village, located to the Houston area. It's no wonder why so many people want to move here. It's the perfect location. Not to mention the highly rated schools and the lush Jersey Meadow golf courses right around the corner from our latest listing. With a pool, hot tub, outdoor kitchen, 4-car garage, fire pit, and impeccable landscaping, this home would be a hot commodity even if the interior wasn't updated, which it is. Featuring over $240,000 in upgrades, this nearly 5,000 square foot estate home boasts 2 fireplaces, a completely remodeled primary suite and kitchen, and even a whole house generator, which is obviously a need here in the Houston area. Hands down, the hottest home you'll find in Jersey Village, all for under $1 million. If you would like more information on this home, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and be one of the first to be notified of all of our latest listings.